Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I've come to you with some apologies, okay? A lot has been going on. I've had an amazing sale. You guys went really ham in with a Marry Me sale. Thank you, by the way, for those of you who purchased. I was a bit overwhelmed. You know, you're really supporting your girl. Thank you. But I have got a new camera now. I'm no longer filming on my iPhone. Happy days. You know what that means, don't you? I will be filming some more content for y'all. And also you guys who noticed the new studio I've got here. It's not done, okay, but we are getting there. So for this week's video, I'm just going to be talking you through this DIY that I've been doing to help my hair, because my hair was not looking the same. And I got to tell you, this has really helped my hair stay strong. I know you think it's rice water, don't you? It ain't. If you want to see it, you got to carry on watching, okay? Right, okay, let's get straight onto it, because you haven't come to see my updates of what's going on in my life, okay? You've seen it in the title. I just want to show you this DIY that I've put together, because, sister, let me tell you something. You see this hair? The hair was not looking the same. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple DIY. It's so simple that I don't know why I was sleeping on this ingredient. I've been using this spray for the last 2 weeks and my hair has completely been strengthened. I'm not sure if I've had any growth to it, but listen, I want healthy hair over length. And a little bit later on in the video, I'll be showing you my length check from the last challenge that we did, which was the August challenge for the inversion method. Did it help my hair grow or not? So if you're new here, you wouldn't know that every time I have to introduce the hair. So I'm going to do that right now because it's important. Recently, my hair has not been the same. It ain't, and I've been a bit worried. I don't think it's anything to do with rice water because my hair isn't dry. I don't think it's got anything to do with these challenges because the challenges actually keep me in check. The only thing I think it might be is that I'm in my perimenopause stage and it's to do with my estrogen levels and my hormones. But my hair isn't the same. Right now, my hair is obviously a bit limp because it is damp because I've already applied this DIY on my hair. What I noticed was my hair wasn't retaining moisture properly and that I had to do a lot more work just to keep the moisture in. My curl pattern was also a bit, it was very limp. The ends were not curling nicely. Yes, you might think that a little trim might do the trick. After the trim, my hair still was playing up, sister. And I just felt like my hair was not responding the way it used to respond, even when I was to put my Mel's Button Me Up in and the Marry Me leave-in conditioner. It just was not doing it. So I thought enough is enough. So I've thought to myself, I'm going to go back to basics yet again. I looked at my old way of doing things. You just got to do that every now and again. And I found out the only way that I can actually get my hair strengthened is if I use Evaded Teas. So I'm hoping that this DIY, it's a very simple one. I'm just hoping that this DIY will trigger some of you and help you out when you have those moments when your hair is not retaining moisture, when it's not responding the way it used to, when it's just not curling properly, it doesn't feel strong, it doesn't look full. Yeah, this has saved it for me. Okay, without further ado, here's the mixture. And all it is rosemary. That's right, it is rosemary. That is all I have in here. This stuff is amazing. Now, we all know about rosemary, but on this channel, as you know, I like to give you the facts. I like to give you the information. Now, to put everything into perspective, if you really want your hairs to be strengthened, if you want your hair to stop breaking, we've got to look back at the DHT blockers. I'm telling you, it's that will stop your hair growing. It's that will give you weak and thinning hair. And DHT is also what will bring lots of shedding to your hair. And I think I was beginning to go down that road until I did this DIY. And yes, through research, I did notice that it's not just DHT, but DHT is a main contributor to thinning hair and hair not having the luster that it usually has. It could also be anything like stress. It could be something related with a nutritional deficiency or a fibroid condition. You know, there are many other factors. And just a side note, DHT is where our body is producing too much of DHT. Now, I do have a video that I've done specifically on DHT blockers. It's a lot lot more in detail. I'll leave a card up here so you can watch it at your own pleasure. Okay, so some background knowledge about rosemary, because I think it's important to let you know about how powerful rosemary is. I mean, we hear about it. It stimulates hair growth, but let's know a little bit more than that, okay? Now, as you may or may not know, rosemary is a culinary herb that has been used for centuries, and this could be taken internally and externally, and it has a beautiful fresh floral aroma. It's definitely better than the fenugreek. And also, rosemary's been known to be great for medical use. Now, I'm not sure if you knew this, but rosemary has a rich content source of antioxidants. Rosemary's primary benefit is to naturally help stimulate the hair follicles to grow, and also naturally thickening the hair strands. And for me, when I think about it, this is exactly what it has done for my hair. Now you've got to listen closely because this is where it gets very interesting. Now, because as before, when I mentioned that the DHT, rosemary is fantastic at blocking any DHT, and DHT is the enemy of progress, the enemy of growing your hair, and it thins and brings baldness in some extreme cases. Basically, it's not your friend, okay? There are statistics showing clearly results after they've been experimenting on mice that has been stimulating hair growth and hair strands that have grown through thicker. Now, whilst rosemary works really well at stimulating the healthy hair growth from within, it also has great conditioning aspects and leaves your hair really shiny. That's one of the things I've noticed with my hair, that my hair is much shinier. It gives softness to the hair. Rosemary also prevents premature graying. Now, if you've already got the gray, I'm sorry, it didn't prevent that. And not only that, rosemary has an incredible ability to tackle any kind of skin, scalp issues such as dandruff. And do you think rosemary is going to forget about your dry, itchy scalp? The properties in it will help control the dryness and the itchiness of that burning scalp. Rosemary, you are good though. That really just, warms me to hear this. When I think about it, this is exactly what it has done for my hair. Now, if you don't believe my results, you don't need to take my word for it. Now, one of the great things about showing evidence of something working is seeing it for yourself. This right here is the video that I recorded 2 weeks ago. My hair is fully dry now, just as it is in this recording. And as you can see, my hair now looks so much fuller, it looks thicker. My hair strands feel different, they feel stronger, they feel a lot more fortified. The rosemary did that, okay? Oh my goodness, I look fine. Hey, this rosemary tea has given me the boost that I needed to see my hair, first of all, to give me health in my scalp and then grow through thicker hair strands. I love it. So as you can see, I got some hair growth. That's amazing. So this inversion method did actually give me some growth. To be honest, I was doubting it. But I'm quite pleased with the little hair growth I got. So let me know in the comments. I want to know all of your results, please. Okay guys, that's it for me now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate you and your time. Don't forget to like this video. Smashing the like button really helps my channel. And share it to somebody, Don't be greedy. Don't keep holding on to my videos. Share them with other people, okay? Anyway guys, I'm going now. I'm going to shoot another video for you. Thank you so much for watching. You take care and God bless you.